Hello students, myself Pavan sir, and we are going to deal with the dual administration in Bengal. As we have already discussed, the Battle of Plassey and the Battle of Buxar. After these battles in Bengal, the dual administration was established. It was also known as the diarchy. So I have made the points and given to you here in all these slides that this dual administration was established after the victories of Plassey and Buxar. And secondly, you see here that British control over the military. Actually, through this dual system of administration, they attained the military powers. And the third point, revenue began to be collected directly by the officials. So the British officials started collecting the revenue in Bengal. And though the revenue was being collected by the officials, only a small amount of the revenue was being given to the Nawab of Bengal to run the administration. And British has power and income but no responsibility. And here we see that the British people, though they had all the power over Bengal and all the economy, all the income was in their hands, but they did not have any responsibility over Bengal. All the responsible activities were taken care by the Nawab of Bengal with the minimum amount what was given to Nawab from the Britishers, and Nawab had no power over Bengal. And this was the system which was known as the diarchy, and at the time of diarchy we can see here that some major historical events took place during the British rule. Actually, first was the Great Bengal Famine of 1770. In this, 10 million people died and there was no relief given neither from the side of the Nawab nor the British. And people died of starvation, and it came to be as a major calamity. And further, this dual administration was ended in 1772 and Bengal came under the direct control of British. And we see here that the Warren Hastings, the new Governor General, was appointed and he took over all revenue collection, and he also appointed the revenue officers so that he could work or he could collect the revenue smoothly. Since this was the time when the Bengal was completely in the hands of the British, further the British people wanted to expand their territorial power. So as they were trying to extend their power, they had to wage war with the other powers, and the other regional powers also stood against the British, and they did not allow easily to expand the territory to the British people. Thank you and have a nice day.